This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to SFDC Pathshala. So now today we are going to see how we can create the basic Lightning Web component. So for creating basic Lightning component, so here we have a Chrome extension that is Lightning Studio. So that Lightning Studio you can also add in your Google Chrome extension, and then you can use it. So once you click on that Lightning Studio, you will get this screen, and here we can create our Lightning components. So let's see if I want to create our first Lightning component. So here we have the option create new component. So let's click on this create new components. So once you click on this create new component, you can provide the component name. So like that, let's take here we have LWC, or we can go for first LWC component, first LWC component. And we have to make our component exposed. So once we have make it exposed, it means we want to show this lightning component on Salesforce UI. मतलब मुझे अपने इस UI पे उस component को show करना है. Now then here we have the targets. It means where we want to add our components. So I want to add it on record page, or maybe app page, or maybe home page, or maybe tab, or if I want to use this lightning component as a record quick action, so that also I can select it. And once we have selected all these options, if you scroll down here, we have the option of deploy. We can go and deploy it. And once you have deployed successfully, you can get the message that first lightning component is now successfully created. And you can see here we have a folder created with the name of first LWC component. If you expand this folder, here we have the HTML code that you can see here. Then we have the JavaScript code that here we have. And if we want to use in future Apex also, we can use it. But currently, how can we create the lightning component? So this is a process we can create our new lightning components. Now in next session, we are going to see how we can create the functionality inside this component through LWC library. Okay, so we'll see in the next session. Thank you. Yeah.
This conference will now be recorded.
So guys, welcome to SFDC Pathshala. So now I have shown you in the previous recording that here we have created our first lightning component, that is HTML, JavaScript, and first Java meta XML file. So now when we have created this component, and when this component successfully deployed, it means you can see that this component is actually deployed in your org that you are connected. You can see here the org name. This is the org name, you can see. And if you can see where it is available or not, so you can go for any of the object. You can go to it. Suppose I'm going for contract object. You can go for account, opportunity, or any standard or custom object. Fine, you can open the record, any of the record. Now if I want to check that whatever the lightning web component we have created, that is available or no, so we can go there and we can edit this page. Let's edit this page. And once you can edit, you can see whatever the component that we have deployed here, that will be available. Now you can search it, the name. What is the name? First you can see LWC component is available. So directly from Lightning Studio, you can directly deploy your component inside Salesforce, or and you can learn, right? And that component, what I can go and edit here. See, anywhere you can edit. So I'm adding here. It's added. It's added. Now I can save it. Once you have saved, you have to activate it. Let's activate it. And once you have activate, let's assign as org default. And I want to use it as on desktop as well as phone. Let's go for next and save it finally. Now once we go back, you can see that component is available on my UI. You can see that component is available on my UI, but it is not visible. How can you see it? So you have to pass a message here. Let's take, I'm passing a message here. Hi, this is my first lightning web component, and just use Control S, will give you the deploy option, and click on this deploy. See, again it is successfully deployed. Again you can see, if you can refresh your page, so definitely you can see that message here. See, this is my first lightning component. It means on the whole page, a small UI customization we have done it with our lightning web component. So this is the process through which we can create a component and we can add it on any object's page, detail page, and that will be available. Okay, let's meet in another video and we'll see how we can create some inputs on our lightning component, how we can validate the lightning component, each and everything we are going to see in coming videos. Thanks all. Thank you.